We're going on a snow walk. As you can see, the world is very similar, so I have to fully rely on him to lead me, but I have to tell him where I want him to go. So I'm just urging him forward, forward. I'm gonna feel out, see what I can find. Good, forward. That's what he wanted me to find, the deeper snow. Oh my gosh. Okay, forward. Come on. Let's go. There you go. There we go. There's just a little snow mound there that we had to forward. I think he's enjoying this kind of work. Gives him something to do. Oh, good dog. Good dog. Well done. He's trying to take me out into the road, but I've basically told him that's not an option because cars are there. That would be a bad idea. So I'm telling him that we have to stay in the snow. But he is trying to find the best way around. Look, he's putting me in shallower parts. He's putting me in footprints. Oh, good dog. Forward. Good dog. Forward. Good. Well done. Good dog. He's showing me the snow again. Forward. Good. Good dog. Well done. Forward. Forward. Find the curb. Good. Good. Forward. Oh, good dog. All right, we're almost home. Find home. Find home. This is a little slick, but he's keeping me on the ice because it's the shallowest snow. Find home. Good, find home. Good boy, yay, good job. You want a treat? There you go, good boy.